Okay, rain and snow. Raining. Look at that, the wave. Wave at the ocean.
Who's available?
If you guys not clear anytime soon, I am available at the Mill Bay Beach.
Holding us safely here. At 1219 trailer court, I got no man, and I got one on the base.
Okay, I go get 1219 Mill Bay. What number?
Number 4, I think she said.
She said number 4. Let her know I'll be there in 4 minutes.
Copy.
Hey Danny, I'm going to be hang around BU dispatch, okay, bro? Okay. Make it easy on you, okay? A little bit, okay, bro?
Copy. Friday night rush. Probably busy till midnight.
Yeah, I wish I can be here at 2, 3, and 4 a.m., huh? That's what she said on number 4. I'll be there in 3.5 minutes.
Copy.
Well, it's good enough for now. Copy. Okay, next video maybe. Continue my radio. My video.
Your video.
Huh?
Your video.
Sometimes, sometimes I forgot I use I should do that long times ago and put on my YouTube. Correct City Cap YouTube. Hey Danny and Nine, you guys should take a look from time to time at the YouTube, okay? Correct City Cap YouTube. I don't know if you guys found it. They have people run exercise.
Can I check mail first in the post office?
Oh, by the post office, no problem. But,
Can I check mail?
Oh, you can. You should wait until you feel better. You know what I mean?
Huh?
You should wait for until you feel better. How long ago you don't check your mail?
Only today.
Only today.
That's why we're gonna check it.
Okay, just go ahead, check it, huh? Yeah. How long you be at the hospital?
This September, like 3 o'clock.
Oh, 3 o'clock. They found out what's going on.
Yeah, but my brain.
Oh, I see. Hey, boy, you know what? I got stroke, I got heart attack, I got dementia, and my lungs are no good. You know what?
Over there, the mailbox over there.
Huh?
There.
Oh, yeah, over there. Okay, Danny, you clear, you pick up Clayton, okay? Clayton's house by the church. $1311 Philip Lane. Okay, that one?
Yeah.
Okay, brother. Yep, I stopped by the mailbox. My customer pick up the mails. Hey, have you heard also the ambassador of the Philippines in China? He died because of the COVID. Did you know?
Huh?
The Filipino ambassador in China.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. He died. I watched the news a couple days ago. He got the COVID.
Salif by the church?
Yeah. In the front of Clayton's house. It's easy for them to walk up to you right there. You know, behind the church. The church on Maple.
1113 Salif.
Yeah. Then go straight up and go by the church right there, and you turn in and the back of the church.
1113 Salif.
Copy. Okay, just park by wherever in the front of 1113 Slave. Okay, I forgot what.
1 minute or less.
Okay, 613. Oh, 613, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here we are. Okay, sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, yes, sir.
Wait, I'm gonna pay you.
Okay, 1025.
You can And for them, somebody coming.
Okay, yeah, let me turn around for you easier, huh? Okay, yep. Big cockfight right here too, huh? 11:13. Oh, 6:13.
Yeah.
Big cockfight right here.
I got this one.
Okay, give me a second, Mark. Give me a second. Let me turn. Easy for you to get from that. Okay, just take $10 from you, okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Very much. You take care, okay? You get well soon, brother. Okay?
I'm here, 11:13.
Give him a call. Evening, correct, okay? $3848 Woodland Drive. Sure, just about 10 minutes, okay? 3848. Okay, see you in 10. Bye. See him yet? 24. Okay, but the cab's right there.
No, do you know an apartment?
Okay. Okay, he coming out. Just park in the front. No, I don't. But you just park in the front right there. His his apartment is across from behind the church. He coming out at you.
I'm at Ferric number 6.
Danny, you got the phone number on Berg number 6.
Copy, I'll give him a call. Said they'll be right out.